Show ya KOGI's Corner ikoretwo among show iria nene muno iria cira gikorwo cikiarĩrĩria maundu ma siasa na muno muno mwena wa kirima. It has been the leading online show politics iria iragikorwo ikĩarĩrĩria maundu ma siasa haria, and it started sometime the end of last year gĩthi gũthirĩrĩkĩra haria, and the show is doing super fine igitongorio haria ni MC KOGI Investor, and it is doing fine to a point. Nĩtũrĩgĩte kuona when the president was starting his Mount Kenya tour Korea Asagana State Launch, KOGI are the only independent independent journalist uria utari wa Korea mainstream media, na haria ginya akiuria nturonire president anamtambua pale hivyo. Tulisikia pale hivyo akisema KOGI ule wa pale kwa kona no kona ni mani aratamburika ni mugathe president, no kona input yake ya maundu maria agikoretwo agika in the field of doing those debates nirakorwo igifilwo to that point where the president knows him. Now recently ni gukoretwo na maundu maingi muno thutha wa KOGI gukorwo agika interview na Oscar Sudi, na after interview haria haikorwo hena ka video marekordire haria hena MP wa Gatundu Njoroge kururia, hena Oscar Sudi, hena the first gentleman of Nakuru County, that is Sam Mburu, makiuga hari uria interview irari na uregani muingi guku nende-ini cia ukinyanĩria, no the fact that ni yeko successfully, na marakorwo magi joke about that story na makiuga hiyo ni mambo ya siasa.
Nenda vizuri kwenda. Iko so nice. Walikuwa wanasema hata wote lakini wamekuja. Unajua hiyo ndio sasa siasa. Sasa hiyo ni miamba itarudi tena. Unaona kijana hapo sawa? Sana. Na ni kijana mdogo tu. Ndio aliinterview mtu hapo. Huyo ndio aliinterview kwanza. Kwanza. Juzi tu hata. Jana ya less one year. November. Basi tunaendelea. Sawa. So next tunaenda wapi?
Na after how ado maragikorwo magiconclude ati show ya KOGI's Corner, it is being sponsored by government. Hororia thaici woereirwo na uregani munene muno ni a Kenya, muno a kirima aria marauga ati MC KOGI Investor thaici is one of those people who are becoming sellouts. Ntorete andu ta githiga kuria magithi kuria na gukorwo makiarĩrĩria horo ucio, na andu aingi kuria nende-ini cia ukinyaniria, those influential people kuria makiuga ati KOGI's Corner show right now is becoming biased. To add salt on the wound, muthenya wa muthenya kuma gukorwo na show na Cleopas Malala. Cleopas Malala ari Secretary General wa UDA, akirutwo kou agithi mwena wa Gachagua, na recently ni akoretwo akimake headlines ni undu wa the controversial echoes of war. Niwe ugikoretwo andikire play yo na ikirehe thina muno ntorire haria ginya ndiahotire gukorwo ikiactwo. No muthenya nyoma akorwo na interview na Cleopas Malala, no Cleopas Malala ni athire kuria nende-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria na auga ati kuringana na uria arona andu makiuga nende-ini cia ukinyaniria ni kuonania ati show iyo ya KOGI, it is biased and sponsored by the government. Koguo ni arona agikorwo ari betrayal nene muno agithi show ine yo gukorwo akiaria kuona ati already it is being sponsored by the government, na akorwo akiandika ndumiriri imwe ndaihu muno kuria nende-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria akiuga,
I have listened to the concerns of the people and I am unable to attend this show. It has come to my attention that this platform serves as a government tool designed to slow the momentum of liberation. Based on viewers' responses, the show has become little more than a laundry for this regime's dirty dealings. I refuse to be party to the innuendo and propaganda aimed at dragging this country further into ruin. Kindly consider this my formal withdrawal from participation.
Thutha ucio KOGI Investor ni athire onake akorwo akiandika ndumiriri kuona ati already ni agubangite show na haria everything was set. Agikorwo akiandika post haria ya kuga the show has been cancelled, na akorwo agitariria haria na kuga ati uguo kuragikorwo gwitwika ati right now he is being sponsored by the government. Tiguo na kuona ati akoretwo akidebate na wanasiasa kana abunge aria thaici me thirikari-ini, ti kuonania ati thirikari-ini kana ara support maundu maria thirikari ireka thaici. He has stated that ajirie gwika uguo nigetha akoro hold those leaders accountable tondu nio maragikorwo magisupport thirikari. Ndomereri-inĩ ĩrĩa andĩkire kũrĩa nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria onaguo augire.
Tonight's scheduled broadcast of KOGI's Corner live show has been cancelled. We appreciate your patience and understanding. We wish to sincerely apologize for that. We always do our best to give friendly and unbiased coverage, and we do not lean towards any political divide. All the leaders we host can testify that we always remain cautious before, during, and after the show. Sincere apologies. Ladies and gentlemen, it's so unfortunate that we could not hold our show tonight for reasons beyond our control. For avoidance of doubt, we are not pipeline, nor do we in any way work for the government. Our show is a neutral show, but we started interviewing those in power to hold them accountable as we progress, but a section of unhappy bloggers decided to use crude weapons and machinery to water our efforts down. A man stumbles down, lifts himself, dusts himself, and the journey continues.
Barari ni dio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. It is a debate that is taking the headlines by storm right now. Na thaici it is a very tricky time thaici gũkorwo ukijihusisha na siasa when you have not thought about it in a very deep way. Tondũ thaici a very small mistake kama hitia kanini tuoro ũguo urekora wĩngũri-inĩ ĩmwe nene mũno gũkũ nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria, because I never thought that this will be an issue. Niĩ ndieciragia ũhoro ũyũ wa KOGI nĩ ũgakinya handũ ũtuĩke issue nene ũguo. It was just a small issue ĩrarĩrĩrio gũkũ chini ya maji, but the fact that thaici ikinyite to a point where a guest is writing na akauga atĩ ndegũka show ĩyo because it is being sponsored. This is tough. Show irajirie just a few months ago. Thaici ni a talk of town. What is going on? Hihi KOGI's Corner emwe na wa thirikari kana he is just a neutral party otoria watho wa journalism ugaga. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. No comment yo ũtwĩre.
Nenda vizuri wewe. Iko so nice. Walikuwa wanasema hata wote lakini wamekuja. Unajua ndio sasa siasa. Sasa hiyo ni miamba itarudi tena. Unaona kijana hapo sawa? Sana. Yaani kijana mdogo tu. Ndio alitaja mtu hapo. Huyo ndio aliita kwa kwanza. Kwanza. Juzi tu hata. Jana ya less than 1 year. November. Basi tunaendelea. Sawa. So next tunaenda wapi?